everyone, what is going on? This video, I picked up some brand new carbon end plates from Ikon Motorsports. Here they are. They look pretty dope. I still have the very original ones hanging on the wall there. I don't like the triangle style, but I was digging the square style that I have on here now, and I rounded the edges and I was going to clean them up. And, you know, I don't know. I wasn't 100% happy on them. So, I wasn't really sure what I was going to do with them. And I was looking at, like, other wing options. That's why I grabbed this neon hammerhead wing off of 2G. I'm always trying to think and improve the car and stuff. But, just happened to be on eBay. And came across these Ikon end plates. They make a whole bunch of different ones. But they make these carbon ones. You need, obviously, to drill them yourself. And I think they're a little bit longer, just like a ½ inch longer, and a little bit shorter. But basically, we'll, sorry, I don't know if I was filming out there. We'll get these mounted up on here like this. Have that little end piece hanging off on the back. So, first thing I gotta do is I gotta grab an Allen key, pull off the square end plates here, and just re-drill the holes on the carbon ones. So I gotta find my drills. I know where my drill is. Gotta get that off with some Allen keys and grab some painter's tape so I don't scratch that carbon. Couldn't find any painter's tape, so I have this really old ass masking tape. I mean, I got holes, so there's that. You will have to, what I did is I double checked because look for any imperfections. See, like there's the weave's a little bit messed up down here, but this one will go over there. So it'll mount like this and you'll never see it. So basically I got this one taped up. I'm going to flatten it on the bottom so that way the top will drop down a little bit. And then I will get this equal, mark them, take it over the bench and drill them out. Got my holes marked out, marked the centers. Got a piece of carbon to protect the backside from the wood scratching it. And just gonna use a step drill bit, just gotta get that first layer and be done. So let me drill this one out real quick and we'll throw it on. All right, so got the first one drilled out. Just got the hardware so you can kind of see how it'll look. And I'm gonna pop it in real quick because I kind of need both hands to do that. There we got it. Is the first carbon end plate on, and so now I just got to repeat this process for the other side, and we'll have carbon end plates on again. There we have it. I like it. I think it looks a bit better than the steel ones. Obviously, they're lighter than the steel ones. But, yeah, they weren't bad. I think they were like 40 or 50 bucks shipped. And, I like how they came out. Adding to my collection over there, I may want to get new or cut these to give them kind of an angle so there's just not as blunt hanging off the trunk. And maybe paint them. We'll see about that. But that's basically it. Quick video, just gotta drill the holes. I do gotta say, if you have an odd shape like that, like trapezoid triangle that the original ones were, it does make it a little bit harder to swap over. But since it was like basically rectangle to rectangle, real easy to drill, figure out your spacing and all that. So hope you guys liked the little video. Like and subscribe. Until next time.